Today I want to show you how to wash some clothes. So here's my washing machine, and let me show you. Inside is empty. This is called the drum. Look at all the holes. The holes let the water come in and the water drain out. Well, the first thing I like to do is put my dish soap, or my laundry soap in. And this is a pod that's squishy, but you must not play with it. It's not safe. That soap pod is very strong, and it shows you right on the package some warnings. Don't cut it open. Don't let kids play with it. They might think it's a treat to eat. And don't let it squirt in your eyes. Ouch! That would sting. All right, we have our soap in. Now it's time for us to put in some dirty clothes. In it goes. Dirty clothes. I started washing my own clothes when I was 12. But it's very easy to do. Now the clothes are in. I close the lid. And now I turn it on. There's lots of numbers and lots of choices. But I just turn the knob until I get to... Whoops, I gotta go a little bit further. I turn it until the arrow is pointing to regular. Then I pull this out and listen to the water. It's coming in. It's going to get my clothes wet. That soap is going to swirl around and come out of that pod and make my clothes nice and fresh and clean. We'll come back and check on it shortly. Hi, Odie. While I'm waiting for my clothes to wash, I'm going to tell you about Odie and why he's wearing this cone around his head. Odie hurt his paw, and so he thinks to fix his paw he should lick it clean. But just cleaning his paw is not taking care of what's wrong. Let's see if we can see that sore part of his paw. Come here, Odie. There. Look, he's got an owie. You see that part of his paw? Is a little red and a little sore. So if I take the cone off, he wants to lick that and it makes it worse. Okay, so don't do that, Odie. All right, let's go see how the wash is doing. The washer stopped. Oh, look at all of the clothes. They're clean and they're wrung almost, well, they feel almost dry. If I tried to squeeze really tight, I can't get any water out. That's because this drum was spinning so fast, the water was squeezed out through those holes. All right, well, let's take out the laundry and put it in the dryer. Another drum. Okay. We're going to get all the laundry moved. Okay, it's all in there. Now I'm just going to get one of these fabric sheets, throw it in, close this door. Goodbye, clothes. We'll see you when you're dry. Now, I'm going to turn this dial to the usual. It's going to take about 1 hour, and then we'll come back and see how it's going. All right, sounds like the dryer has stopped. Odie's going in and out. I'm going to open the dryer door, and I'm going to pull all the nice, fluffy, clean, dry, warm clothes out of the dryer. Reach far. One more sock. There. And I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to take this up to my higher counter. All right, now it's time to fold some of these clothes. So, fold it in half, and half, and half again. And there's one towel. And half, and half, and half again. That makes a perfect square shape. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do a few more of these clothes. All right, my towels are done. I'm going to slide them over here. Now, pants, I do the same way. I fold them in half, and in half again. In half, in half, in half again. Yeah, I like folding things in half. Let's see. I can fold my shirt in half, and in half again. And another one in half, and in half again. Well, I'll just finish this stuff up and I'll be right back. Now we've come to the bottom of the basket and I've got some socks to match up. Let's see, I've got 4 socks. 2 with black tops and 2 with plain gray. So I'm just going to lay my socks together and tuck one inside the other. There goes one pair of socks. And let's shake that nice and flat. There are lots of ways you can fold socks, but that's how I do it. All right. Now I'll just put all of the folded clothes back in the basket and go and put them away. But I bet you're wondering something. I bet you're wondering how this little pot of soap even washed all those clothes. And how did it just disappear? Well, I'm just going to show you what happens. This is what happened inside the washer. I'm going to pour some water and we'll see what happens. Ready? Watch closely. Oh, look at that. All the soap is bursting out. I'm using hot water to speed it up. But even cold water will make all of that soap come out of that little sack. Yeah, and then we have nice soapy water to clean our clothes. I'll go put this back in the washing machine and I'll do another load of wash. Well, here I am in the bathroom linen closet, putting my nice clean towels away. So it's ready for bath time or shower time tonight. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned a lot. I put the laundry basket back. Sit, Odie. Yes, you were a good boy helping me with the laundry. I took Odie's cone off his head, and he's going to have a little treat. Let's see if he can catch it in his mouth. Sit. Sit. Oh, good catch, Odie. One more. Ready? Oh, you missed that one, buddy. But not for long. Odie's waving his tail goodbye. And I'm waving my hand goodbye. Until next time. We'll see you later.